Hi guys, Cupcakes here from Six Girl, and today I'm with my dad.
Hello.
And today we are doing the Chubby Bunny Challenge. How you play is you stuff a marshmallow in your mouth and then you say Chubby Bunny. Once you cannot say Chubby Bunny, you lose.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Start? Alright, we're going. Chubby Bunny.
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 Right, too much stuff coming out. Too much saliva.
Who won?
I guess you did.
So my dad lost, so he has to eat a mustard-covered marshmallow. Ew.
Is it? Yeah.
Okay, so since he's such a great dad, we have an extra surprise.
Oh no. Oh great.
Here we go. Okay, I think I want to smash it in the face.
Oh!
Yeah! That was awesome.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Bye.